Hey, what's up, WazirX holders? So this video is going to be very special and very urgent for all WazirX holder. You know why? Because absolutely the WazirX coin is completely fails down from previous 1 month. Absolutely, my friend, previous day, especially last 7 days, last 24 hours. Screen is on my friend chart. Change occur is on the screen, and absolutely minus 24.07% fails down in last 7 days. In 24 hours, as you can see, my brother, minus 22.44% they are lost. So it's mean to WazirX coin price is decreasing, and in those days, you know what's the reason? There are a few reasons, my friend. I will tell you, and what's the prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's the opinion. Everything we discuss clearly in this video, so you need to watch this video completely to understand better. Now, my WazirX holder, first of all, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribe it. All right, so come to the point. As you can see, my brother, this time the WazirX price is 1.2 USD dollar, and absolutely, my friend, the 1.2 USD dollar is the current price, and the price fails down from 1.8 USD dollar to 1.2 USD dollar just in 2 weeks, my brother. It's a really bad fails, my friend, and can there is a chance to they will wake up absolutely after this prediction. You better understand now. So this is the last 7 days chart, as you can see here, and this chart is completely going to show you, my brothers. So this coin is fails down, especially from last 5 days, but absolutely after 5 days, you can see after a very bad fails they will take a short jump, especially in last 48 hours, my friend. Last 2 days this coin will wake up and going upward, and the reason is to all crypto markets wake up. So therefore WazirX also starting moving upward now, and the second reason is that to holders are hold it. If holders are hold, so exactly the WazirX coin is starting moving upward, but definitely the short-term investor they are starting selling, so definitely the coin is fails down. So WazirX holder, my opinion is to please hold it. Don't sell it, because I know to at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So hold it to the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit. Let's see towards you do, but kindly holders subscribe our YouTube channel for latest update, and ABS Tech channel will guide you. Absolutely, you never lost if you follow ABS Tech channel. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.